Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use Google's Nearby Share to send and receive files in between Windows and Android devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows computer. So firstly what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application named as Nearby Share for Windows, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see here get started with beta. Just click on it. Now the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. So finally the installation has been completed. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can see here it's asking to sign in, or you can use it without an account. So right now we'll use without an account. You can sign in with your Gmail or Google account if you wish. So here I'm not gonna sign in, I'll just use it without an account. So I'll just click on it. Now you can just give your computer name, whatever name you want to give, and you can see here below under the receiving options, by default it's showing no one, right? Just click on it. Just click on it, and now you will see here everyone contacts your device, no one. So I'll just allow everyone so that anyone who is nearby me can find out my device ability. And here below you can see here use everyone mode temporarily, or you can keep everyone mode on all the time. I'll just keep it all the time just to give you an example, and just move back, and you can just disable it if you want to disable. If this option is not important for you, I'll just keep it as it is and click on done. Now it's ready to receive, or you can send a file by clicking on send file from computer to your Android devices. So now let me open my Android devices. So finally now you can see my Android home screen, right? So before starting or using this application on both the devices, what you need to do is on both of your devices you need to enable the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth. So in my computer you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is already enabled, as well as let me show you in my Android smartphone also you can see a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is already enabled. So you need to enable both the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth in order to use this Nearby Share on both of your Windows and Android devices. So now say I'll just send a file from my Android to my Windows computer. So let me send one image file. So firstly select it, and you can see here below share option. Just tap on it, and now you will see here Nearby Share, right? Just tap on it, and now just turn on. Now you can see here it automatically detects my computer, as you can see below desktop box. Just tap on it. Immediately you will see here on my computer, just click on accept. Now it is being received, so let us click on open. So finally you can see the file which you have received. So in this way you can use Google's Nearby Share to send and receive files in between Windows and Android devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.